Good morning mga kaijara. Tanaw na tong apam. Ha? Ang apam nagmanday. Tanaw na to. Ay, saba. Ha? Yeah. Have a look. Okay. Have a look. You see? You want this? You look this one? Huh? Can you face her? This is polo. You see? Paul!
Oh,
You're famous now.
never the mind.
You see? That's Paul. He's doing he's doing
A famous job.
oh, oh. This is my first time a white man doing a job here in the Philippines, like mason. Yeah. Okay. That's why I'm an assistant here. He's my manager. Okay. I don't know what we call that, manager or boss, something like that. Cut off.